Welcome to AI Tutoring. Today we're diving into the art of mind mapping, a powerful tool for organizing thoughts, enhancing creativity, and boosting your study efficiency. Imagine transforming your chaotic notes into a structured visual masterpiece. This technique can turn your scattered ideas into a coherent and visually appealing format that makes studying not only easier but also more enjoyable. So what exactly is mind mapping? Let's break it down. Mind mapping is a visual technique that allows you to organize information in a structured format. It's like creating a roadmap for your thoughts, where each idea is connected to another, forming a comprehensive picture of the subject matter. By connecting ideas and concepts, you create a visual representation that aids in understanding and memory retention. This method leverages the brain's natural ability to recognize patterns and relationships, making it easier to recall information later. Picture a tree with branches spreading out in all directions, each branch holding a piece of knowledge. Just like a tree, your mind map grows and expands as you add more information, creating a detailed and organized structure. Now, let's talk about the benefits of mind mapping. Why should you consider incorporating this technique into your study routine? Mind mapping can significantly improve your learning experience. It helps you see the big picture while also focusing on the details, making it easier to understand complex subjects. It enhances comprehension, stimulates creativity, and makes complex information more accessible and manageable. By visually organizing your thoughts, you can identify connections and relationships that you might have missed with traditional note-taking methods. Many students have shared their success stories, saying how mind mapping turned their academic struggles into triumphs. They found that this technique not only improved their grades, but also made studying a more engaging and less stressful experience. But how do you create a mind map? Let's walk through the process step by step. It's easier than you think. Start with a central topic, which will be the main idea or subject you're studying. From there, branch out to subtopics and details. Each branch represents a different aspect of the main topic, and you can continue to add more branches as you delve deeper into the subject. Use colors, images, and keywords to make your mind map visually appealing and informative. Colors can help differentiate between different sections, while images can make the information more memorable. The more vibrant and dynamic, the better. A visually stimulating mind map can make studying more enjoyable and help you retain information more effectively. And here's where it gets exciting: using AI for mind mapping. Technology can take this technique to the next level. AI-driven tools can automate the process, suggest connections, and adapt to your learning style. These tools can analyze your notes and automatically generate a mind map, saving you time and effort. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps you organize your thoughts and study materials effortlessly. This can be especially helpful when you're dealing with large volumes of information or complex subjects. These tools make your study sessions more efficient and productive. By leveraging AI, you can focus more on understanding the material rather than spending time organizing your notes. So why not give mind mapping a try? It's a versatile tool that can be adapted to any subject or study style. Start incorporating it into your study routine and unleash your full academic potential. You might be surprised at how much more effective and enjoyable your study sessions become. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Tutoring for more study techniques, tips, and tools to help you succeed. We're here to support you on your academic journey. Thanks for watching, and happy studying. Remember, the key to success is finding the right tools and techniques that work for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel for more study tips.